Hello Adarsh, happy birthday to you.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಆದೇಶ್. ದೇವ್ರು ನೀನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ.
Happy birthday, Appa. I love you.
Hi Adu, happy birthday. Stay happy. God bless you. Have a great day. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Adarsh.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. Have a blast.
Hey Adarsh, wish you a very happy birthday.
Good day, mate. Funny. Many years ago, you made fun of the Aussie accent, and that was 20 years ago. Today, I'm going to wish you a birthday, happy birthday, in the famed Aussie accent. Good on you, mate.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. Have a great day and a great year ahead. God bless you. 40 years.
Wish you happy birthday, Adarsh.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. Happy birthday, Adarsh Chikappa. May you have a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Adarsh.
Many more happy returns of the day, Talaiva.
Hey Adarsh, hi, how are you doing? Aditya here. I just realized today is the 12th of July, and how can I forget this day? It's a special day. It's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day. You never forget to wish me on my birthday every year. So please don't feel bad. I haven't wished you for quite a few of your birthdays, but I always wished you and kept you in my heart. So many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adarsh. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
ಜನ್ಮದಿನದಿನಂ ಐಲಿಯಾಸಕೆ ಸಂತನೋದುತೆ ಸರ್ವದಾಮುದಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯಾಮಹೇ ಭವಸುತಾಯುಷಿ ಈಶ್ವರಸ್ತದಾ ತ್ವಾಂ ರಕ್ಷತು ಪುಣ್ಯಕರ್ಮಣಾ ಕೀರ್ತಿವರ್ಜಯ ಜೀವನಂ ತವ ಭವತು ಸಾರ್ಥಕಂ. Happy birthday, Adarsh.
Happy birthday, Adarsh Chikappa.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. God bless you. Happy birthday, Maga.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. Have a great day. Enjoy Madu. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Adarsh Mama.
Happy birthday, Adarsh. Have a wonderful year. God bless you.
Hi Adarsh, wish you a very happy birthday and happy 40.
Hi Adarsh, happy birthday. God bless you abundantly. Wishing you success in all your future endeavors.
Hi Adarsh. Happy birthday. 40th year celebrate with a grand success and God bless you.
Hello Adarsh, happy birthday. Have a great day. ಏನಿದು 40th ಇಯರ್ ಏನು ಕತೆ?
ಹಲೋ ಆದರ್ಶ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ಮೈಲ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲವ್, ಜಾಯ್, ಪೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಿಟಿ today and for the rest of your life. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Adarsh.
Bye. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ we can party, have a good party. Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Adarsh, happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hi Adarsh, happy birthday. Hope you have the best day. We miss you so much and I wish you the best year.
Hi Adarsh, happy birthday. We miss you so much and I hope you have a great day.
Hi Adarsh, many happy returns of the day.
Others, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you with good health and prosperity. Have a nice day.
Hi Adarsh, many happy returns of the day. Have a nice day.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಾಸ್, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಭಾರತಿಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಸದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದಾಂಬೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು. ಎಂಜಾಯ್.
Hi Adarshana, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Have a nice day.
ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಳು ನೀನು ವರ್ಷ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹರುಷ. ಆದರ್ಶ್,
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರುಪ್ಪ.
ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು.
ಬಾಯ್.
Happy birthday, Adarshana. Welcome to the 40 Plus Club. May the Holy Mother shower grace on you and lead you through your life. God bless you. All the best.
ಹಾಯ್ ಆದರ್ಶ್, ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ದೇವರು ನಿನಗೆ ಆಯಸ್ಸು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ.
Hello Maga, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with good health, wealth and peace of mind. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ. ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಿರಂದ ನಾಳೆ ನಲ್ವಾಳ್ತುಕ್കൾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್.
ಹಾಯ್ ಆದರ್ಶ್, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. 40ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿನಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ದೇವರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು CMRT ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 22 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ನೀನು ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಗೇ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆದರ್ಶವಾಗಿರೋ. ದೇವ್ರು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಮಗ.
Happy birthday Adarsh. Stay blessed. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday, Adarsh.
Hi bro, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have fun.
Hello Adarsh bhai, a very happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. You have been a very special person in my life. As I ping you every day, not just because of work, we discuss personal things as well. You have been very supportive. Thank you so much for being there. आप जियो हज़ारों साल. आपको मेरी हिंदी पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने आपके लिए 2 लाइन्स लिखी हैं, पढ़ के सुनाता हूँ. खुशी से बीते हर दिन, हर साल आपका, मिले सफलता, हो पूरा हर काम आपका. जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपको. बाय बाय.
పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు ఆదర్శ్ గారు. ఇలాంటివి ఇంకా మరెన్నో సంతోషంగా జరుపుకోవాలంటూ ఆశిస్తూ మీ మిత్రుడు భార్గవ.
Hi Adarsh, wishing you happy birthday. And I just want to mention one thing that I always admire about you is you always make sure the people around you is always well taken care. Thanks for all that you do and wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi others, here's wishing you a happy birthday and many more years to come. And the leader, we look up to you and thanks for making us a part of your birthday celebrations. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Keep rocking.
प्रणाम आदर्श जी, आपको आपके जन्मदिवस की बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और चूँकि आप हमारी इस टोली के बहुत आदर्श सदस्य रहे हैं और हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे हैं, हमें सहते रहे हैं, उसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार और अभिनंदन। आशा करती हूँ कि आपका दिन शुभ हो, मंगलमय हो, आपकी सारी इच्छाएं पूर्ण हो और आप हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और देखते रहें डायस सारी इश्यूज।
हाय आदर्श जी, आपका जीवन रमणीक, सुख, मंगलमय एवं सुखों से भरा हो। आप शतायु हों, जीवन भर उन्नति करते रहें। थैंक यू।
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಆದರ್ಶನ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಅದು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೇವರು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ.
Hi Adarsh, wish you a happy birthday.
ఆదర్శ్ జీ, జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఒకరోజు హైదరాబాద్కి వస్తే చార్మినార్ పోయి చాయ్ తాగుదాం, ఓకేనా?
Happy birthday Adarsh, may you have a wonderful year ahead. Have fun. Happy birthday again.
Hi Adarsh, happy birthday. Many more happy returns of the day. Wishing you a great year with a lot of happiness, success and endless possibilities.
Hi Adarsh, ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Hi Adarsh, many more happy returns of the day. Have a blast.
ఇనియ పిరందనాల్ నల్వాழ்த்துக்கள் ఆదర్శ్.
ఆదర్శ్ మీకు జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు.
ఆదర్శ్ జన్మదిన ఆశంసలు.